Hello, today we are checking out two cenotes in the Yucatan of Mexico. The first is a rather popular, very touristy one, Garden of Eden, which offers some beautiful clear waters and photo opportunities, and Cenote Semiabierto Pajaros, which is much more private, is very tranquil, has a very different vibe. So let's go check it out. This first cenote, Garden of Eden, is located pretty close to Playa del Carmen, and it was 200 pesos per person, 100 pesos for kids. No discounts, and closed Saturdays. Also be aware that for a lot of these cenotes, they are sacred sites, so they do require that you don't wear bug repellent, sunscreen, etc. At this one in particular, they had a shower before we came in, but I will let him describe it in his own words.
You guys just arrived, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for showering.
Yeah.
Everything you put on your body is toxic for the fish. This is why we have everybody shower, and the sunblock is being killed by it, and that's why I need everybody to wash.
Yeah.
No worries. Use that right there. That's for scuba divers only.
Okay.
There's two across the way you could use, and the one here to the right.
Okay.
For jumping from this tree to that post, everything in between.
Oh, okay.
5.5 meters deep. Before jumping, always make sure there's not a swimmer or scuba diver in the water.
Right.
Okay.
From here to the water is 4.5 meters. 1% at a time off the tree is 7 meters.
Okay.
Life jackets are not mandatory. We rent them for 25 pesos. We also rent masks and snorkel for 50 pesos.
Okay.
You have your own?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use your own, just no use of fins.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
please no street shoes inside the in the
Oh yeah,
cenote.
I'm gonna take them
Okay?
off.
Just making sure.
Okay.
Aside from that, welcome.
Okay, thank
Thank you.
Come on, go down over here. Oh. As you can see, this water is just beautiful. It was super fun swimming around and exploring, especially with the little caverns and the moss. I definitely see how it got its name, Garden of Eden. Also around the parking lot area there, I found a little stone trail and there's iguanas. It's just a very cool area. The next cenote is Cenote Semiabierto Pajaros, It is still close to Playa del Carmen, but I actually just found it on Google Maps, not from any tour websites or anything like that. We decided to check it out in my Chevy Malibu. Definitely consider having four-wheel drive if you go, or if you take a taxi, just keep that in mind. It's pretty far in there. They have little chairs and tables, a bunch of hammocks, and it's pet friendly. And they're getting ready to do the Tezmecol, which is, as far as I know, like a Mayan ceremony, healing ceremony, where they make a sauna, and there's a shaman that like guides it, and it's like 350 pesos per person. And to get into this one today, for us just to go to the cenote, was 100 pesos per person. Okay. This water was not nearly as clear as Garden of Eden. It was honestly a little bit spooky, but it was super cool swimming around, especially because they told you it's really deep. I think they said it was like 60 feet, and so I don't know, it's kind of spooky. There's also tons of life at this cenote as well. This one had little caves so you could hear the bats inside, which I thought was super cool. There's also birds that would come and drink from the cenote, and dragonflies, and lots of fish, of course. We hadn't brought enough pesos for us to participate in the Tezmecol this week, but they were really nice and they let us film and they explained the whole ceremony to us. So shout out again, thank you guys for the awesome experience at Cenote Semiabierto Pajaros.
Gran Espíritu, abraza lo que vengo a entregar mi corazón corazón que es lo único que Gran Espíritu, gran abuela, como soy, me presento ante ti. Como soy, te pido bendiciones. Te agradezco el corazón que has puesto en mí. Cuando vengo, no más vengo. Gran Espíritu, sabrás a lo que vengo. Entregar mi corazón, que es lo único que tengo. Entregar mi corazón.